In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your focus mode status on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the first thing you need to do, you need to go into your settings, then there hit focus and enable that option share across devices. Next, you can open up your focus mode like do not disturb and there hit on focus status for that focus mode and make sure that share focus status here is enabled. So now if that option is enabled, people that will message you will notify it like that in the messages that you has notifications silenced, and they will be able to notify you anyway, even if you enable do not disturb mode, if they think that their message is very important for you to read it right now. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.